Good evening, everyone. It is 9:49 p.m. here on the East Coast. They're telling us we're going to get winds of 40 and gusting to 60 possible, and power outages may occur. We also got some thunderstorms coming in. I'm sorry, I'm watching the Weather Channel as I'm looking and doing this video. I am shutting my computer down. If there's anything major that happens, depends on if I got power or not, whether I can turn on the computer and post it, or whether I may have to use the cell phone. I've got all battery packs charged and ready to go, flashlights ready, medicine back where I'll need it. I've got most of everything tied down. Supposed to go until about, they said, 10 o'clock tomorrow, possibly. They're not really sure, so we're going to wait and see. I'm going to be prepared, because if the power goes out, that's it. I will hold off and do anything until the power comes on. I love you guys. You be safe out there if you're on the East Coast. Some of these storms have produced tornadoes that ripped apart buildings and stuff. Down into Alabama, Tennessee region. They're going had, I think they said 70 to 80 mile an hour winds earlier today. So, Lord, you guys be careful, okay? Because these storms are going up the East Coast. Right now, they got a southward wind, and then it'll switch to a northward wind. All right, and then the temperatures will drop again. I have the link to Ryan Hall in my community. He had a whole live view going on there, live feed with storm chasers chasing these tornadoes. So, okay? If the power goes out, I'm shutting down now anyway, because the wind is picking up, and I don't want a power surge on my computer. I love you guys to pieces. You be safe out there. I will get any updates to you when the warnings are over. And you guys have yourself a great night. God bless each and every one. Bear hugs. Be safe out there. Love ya.